All right, we're called 26 CR 962. You're James Rodney Goodman.
Yes.
Correct. And you were here with your attorney, Mr. Burbank, the state's attorney. You were charged in this case with aggravated assault, causing serious bodily injury by shooting the complainant with a firearm in this indictment. That is a second-degree felony, which carries with it up to 20 years in prison. Your criminal history is rich, and it goes back to 1987. It looks like 2 convictions of illegal possession of controlled substances out of 252nd District Court in 1987. After that, those became final. Paragraph 3 goes on to state you committed another felony of illegal possession of controlled substance and was found guilty of that in 1990 in this court, criminal district court. After that was final, you committed the offense of illegal possession of a controlled substance, a third-degree felony in 2007, and were finally convicted of that. That was
Yes, it's still.
so you got. You were a habitual criminal 2 convictions ago. So your bond is $250,000, and the circumstances here is that police on Friday, April 10th this year, were dispatched to Swift gas station 4705 Magnolia here in Beaumont, Jefferson County. Observed a black male laying on the sidewalk who had been shot. And the police reviewed the store surveillance camera showing you shoot him. And you were detained, and they found you in the area, and you were Mirandized and agreed to speak to officers and admitted to shooting Caesar. You were then placed under arrest for aggravated assault. And when they searched you, was that cocaine found on this one?
That's what it appears like, Judge. I'm checking.
Yeah.
I don't see where we got.
And 2 firearms. You're a convicted felon already. As you know, you're unable to possess a firearm. It's not only a state crime; it's a federal crime as well. All right. It's $250,000. The bond is go ahead.
If I may, this happened or occurred at his residence. There's a question of whether or not he can have a firearm or not with reference to the possession on the state side. I understand the federal side. The instrument that was used that he admitted to was a BB gun. Yes. And when they found the complainant on the in front of the convenience store, he was too intoxicated or high to even communicate, so they brought him to the hospital at that time. This had to do with an incident that
You said the defendant. You're talking to the victim.
the victim
Okay, I thought you said the
was
defendant.
already done. The victim was out in front of the convenience store. You know, it was a determination that he was too intoxicated or high. That's time. I question the indictment in reference to a firearm. I don't believe a BB gun constitutes a firearm, though a BB gun could be a deadly weapon. It's not alleged that way. I'd ask that that the bond be lowered One was because it was, on the house. There was a confrontation, between the complainant, and Mr. Goodman. And he would not leave and he was threatening him. And I know those are matters for trial. But we would ask that the bond be reasonable. In light of these circumstances. And I believe possibly controlled substances were when they went inside the house. And not on his person.
Anything else?
For you, State.
Oh, Judge, I think we've got a good grasp of it. I would tell you that the reports don't state a BB gun. They do mention a pellet rifle. But the state feels that the specifically based upon his admissions and his criminal record that the county can only be safe if the bond continues at the amount that it's set. Yeah.
Well, yeah, you're right. He's sitting on his front porch in his own house minding his own business. That's where it occurred. It didn't occur in the parking lot of
That's just not what the probable cause affidavit states.
That's where he was.
The bond, the court feels that this bond is appropriate under these circumstances in your rich criminal history.
We'd have to set a place on the trial.
It's going to be set for trial. Okay. All right. Let's see.